Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Magic Resize in Canva. If you've ever designed something for one platform and then needed it to fit another format, this feature saves tons of time by adapting your layout without rebuilding from scratch. For example, if you've created a great Instagram post, but now need to adjust it for a Facebook cover or an email header, Magic Resize allows you to quickly reformat your design to suit those platforms without starting over. This is a huge time saver, especially for busy Shopify store owners and marketers managing multiple social media channels. First, open the design you want to resize in the Canva editor. You can start from any existing project. Make sure everything is saved and that you are happy with the current version, so you know exactly what you are resizing from. This ensures that you don't lose any edits or important adjustments you've already made to the design. It's always a good idea to double-check your design and ensure all elements are properly aligned and formatted before you resize. At the top of the editor, look for the Magic Switch button. This used to be called Resize, so if you are used to the old name, you are in the right place. Click Magic Switch, and from the menu that appears, choose Resize. This tells Canva you are changing the dimensions of your design. The Magic Switch button is a quick and intuitive way to start resizing, and it gives you a lot of flexibility in how you adapt your design for different formats. Next, pick your new size. You can select from the suggested presets like Instagram post or A4, which are handy because they're already optimized for common platforms and print standards. These presets take the guesswork out of resizing, ensuring that your design is perfectly formatted for specific platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even for print materials like brochures and flyers. If you need something specific, enter custom dimensions. You can switch units between pixels, inches, or millimeters, depending on whether you are designing for screen or print. For example, if you're designing a Shopify ad for a product, you might choose a custom size in pixels to fit an online banner or an email template. A quick tip: think about aspect ratio. Moving from a square to a vertical format will change how elements fit, so choose a size that matches your use case. For instance, a design that looks great as a square for Instagram might not look as good as a banner on Facebook or in a newsletter. Adjusting the aspect ratio ensures that your design elements are positioned properly and remain balanced. When you are ready, you have two choices. Select Resize to transform your current file, or choose Copy and Resize to create a new version. If you want to keep your original intact, Copy and Resize is the safer option and makes it easy to compare results side by side. This way, you can experiment with different layouts without affecting your original design. After the resize, take a moment to review the layout. Because aspect ratios differ, some elements might shift slightly. Nudge text boxes back into alignment, scale images to fill the space, and adjust font sizes if things feel cramped or too airy. Use Canvas alignment guides to center items and maintain consistent spacing. It's important to check that the layout remains visually appealing and that all the elements fit well within the new dimensions. Check edges and margins so nothing important is cut off. If your project has multiple pages, click through each one to ensure the layout is consistent across the set. Small tweaks here make a big difference in the final polish. For example, after resizing for social media posts, it's helpful to double-check if your call-to-action text or product images are centered and visible in the new format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use Magic Resize in Canva to save time and easily adapt your designs to multiple formats. Whether you're resizing graphics for your Shopify store or creating content for social media, this tool makes it much easier to scale your designs across different platforms. Make sure to try it out next time you need to resize your designs quickly and efficiently.